Hello there everyone. Now who doesn't love a bright dazzling smile? But let's be honest, yellow teeth can dim that sparkle. We all know those harsh chemicals and expensive treatments are intimidating, so what can we do? In this video, we're diving into natural remedies to whiten your teeth, prevent yellowing, and keep your smile glowing. Before we get to those remedies, let's talk about why teeth lose their luster. You know those daily indulgences we all enjoy? Coffee, tea, that glass of red wine? Yeah, they're some of the biggest culprits behind those pesky stains. And we can't forget about smoking and, well, let's be honest, not so great oral hygiene. They take their toll too. But the good news? We can fight back naturally. First up, we're going back to basics with baking soda. This pantry staple isn't just for baking. It's a mild abrasive that gently removes surface stains without harming your enamel. Think of it as a gentle polish for your teeth. Just mix a pinch of baking soda with your regular toothpaste and brush gently. You don't need to overdo it, once a day is enough. Next, we're getting fruity with strawberries. These juicy berries contain malic acid, which has natural teeth whitening properties. Sounds surprising? It's true. Crush a ripe strawberry, mix it with a bit of baking soda, and voila! You've got yourself a natural teeth whitening paste. Apply it once a week for a naturally brighter smile. Number 4. Oil pulling, an ancient secret for a healthy mouth. Now, let's talk about oil pulling. This ancient technique might sound a little different, but trust me on this one. Swish a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes, just like you would with mouthwash. It feels a little strange at first, but you get used to it. This process helps remove toxins and bacteria from your mouth, reducing yellowing and promoting healthier teeth and gums. Number 5. Hydrogen peroxide, a powerful whitening boost. Another powerful tool in your natural whitening arsenal is hydrogen peroxide. You probably already have some in your medicine cabinet. Just remember, we're diluting it. Mix 1 part hydrogen peroxide with 2 parts water and use it as a mouthwash. Do this a few times a week to brighten your smile naturally. What's the best one then? Prevention. Your best defense against yellow teeth. Now, while these remedies are great for whitening, remember that prevention is key. Let's talk about some simple habits to keep those stains from appearing in the first place. Brushing, the foundation of a healthy smile. Brushing your teeth twice a day for 2 minutes is non-negotiable. And don't just go through the motions. Make sure you're using the proper technique to reach every nook and cranny. And always use a fluoride toothpaste to fight cavities and keep your enamel strong. Then there's flossing. Don't skip this crucial step. I know everyone hates flossing, but it's so important. Flossing removes food particles and plaque that your toothbrush can't reach, preventing staining and gum disease. Make it a habit to floss at least once a day. Next, the straw trick. Enjoy your coffee, protect your smile. Love your morning coffee or tea? I get it. Instead of giving them up, try sipping them through a straw. This minimizes contact with your teeth, reducing the risk of staining. Then you have your crunchy fruits and veggies, nature's toothbrushes. Snack smarter. Reach for crunchy fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, and celery. They act like natural toothbrushes, scrubbing away plaque and keeping your smile bright. And don't forget, regular dental checkups. Don't underestimate the power of a professional. Last but not least, never underestimate the importance of regular dental checkups. Your dentist can remove tartar buildup and keep your teeth looking their best. Plus, they can catch any potential issues early on. Now, what should we steer clear of? You might have heard about using lemon or vinegar for teeth whitening. While they are acidic and can have a temporary whitening effect, I urge you to avoid them. These substances can erode your enamel over time, leading to sensitivity and other dental problems. It's just not worth the risk. There you have it. You're now armed with natural, effective ways to whiten your teeth and keep them sparkling. Remember, consistency is key with any of these remedies. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and also comment down below and tell us where you're from. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more natural health and wellness tips from Beautified. Here's to a brighter smile and a more confident you. Remember, a healthy smile is a beautiful smile. See you in the next video.